Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gummies using pectin. Pectin is a natural gelling agent derived from fruits, crucial for achieving that perfect chewy texture. We'll explore the two main types: high methoxyl, which needs sugar and acid to set, and low methoxyl, which gels with calcium and allows for less sugar. Understanding these differences is key to crafting your ideal gummy. Get ready to learn the secrets to successful pectin gummy creation. To begin your gummy adventure, you'll need a few key ingredients and tools. Make sure to have your favorite fruit juice, sugar, the right type of pectin, and an acid such as citric acid ready. Essential equipment includes a sturdy saucepan, a whisk for smooth mixing, an accurate thermometer, and your desired gummy molds. Remember, precise measurements are absolutely vital for achieving the perfect gummy consistency every single time. The cooking process is where the magic happens. First, mix your pectin with a small portion of sugar to prevent any lumps. Gently heat your fruit juice, then gradually whisk in the pectin sugar blend until fully dissolved. Bring this mixture to a vigorous rolling boil for about 1 minute to properly activate the pectin. Finally, incorporate the rest of your sugar and acid, cooking until the mixture reaches approximately 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your gummy mixture reaches the target temperature, work quickly. Carefully pour the hot liquid into your prepared silicone molds. It's important to move swiftly before the mixture begins to set. Allow your gummies to cool and firm up, either at room temperature or in the refrigerator, for at least several hours. Once fully set, gently demold them. You can then enjoy them as is, or coat them with a dusting of sugar or sour powder for an extra treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.